guys, welcome back to my channel. Brett Ryan here, and I wanted to do a quick video on Fanola and some of their cool products that I'm going to actually demo today. I never used any of these, but I know they have something called an Oral Therapy 24K Color Deep Conditioner. So these are deep conditioning treatments that you can leave on for as long as you want, and they have color, they have pigment. So if you're blonde, obviously these are gonna pick up really bright, but they're also good for people who have dark hair and just want a nice tint. So if you follow me on Instagram, which I'm sure you do, if you're here on YouTube probably, or vice versa, I always have different colors. I like to try new things in my hair, so I got this random crazy idea to lighten my hair and do Guy Tang's MR, Midnight Rose 6 MR. I lightened my hair, I got to about a level 8, and I deposited it with a demi permanent only. I washed my hair twice only, and if you guys can see, it's turning like a nasty red, like coppery, I don't know what you want to call it, color. So I decided instead of using Guy Tang 6 MR to touch it up, I would do one of these fun colors. So they have like 80 different colors, but the ones I have here are violet, which is deep violet, which this I've used before, like a half of this, and on a client, the only time I ever used these, and the client's hair literally turned so red and it lasted for so long. I don't like using permanent color often unless the client is gray or they request it. I will say that the reds are better with permanent. They do last and get in there a little bit more. All reds fade easy, but they're a pain in the butt to get out. And I also have this fuchsia one. So I haven't decided yet which one I want to do, but I'm gonna do it, so stay tuned. All right guys, look at this. I used the red one and look how red it is. It's so pigmented. I used the littlest bit and just brushed it through, and my hair is gonna be redder than it was when I used Guy Tang, which I'm okay with. And as long as it's just so easy to do this mask and it's a treatment at the same time, I'm so down with using this all the time. I think these retail for about 30 or 40 bucks, but they're so worth it. I can already feel when I comb through how good my hair is feeling. But wear gloves because it does stain really, really bad. And I just got my nails done, and every time I get this color silver, it always turns green, so I hurried up and washed my hands. But stay tuned, I'll be back with the final result. Okay guys, so while my hair processes, I wanted to run down some of my favorite Fanola products since I have the discount code and everything down below, just so you guys have an idea of what to get maybe. I focus on the NutriCare line, I love it. I'm gonna start dabbling and diving into other brands. They have stuff for curly hair, greasy hair, after color hair. The NutriCare to me is one of the best ones because I do a lot of blonding, I do a lot of color, and everybody needs a little bit of restructuring. So this is the big size. I usually get the big of everything. I have the small mask because the other one's in the back and I didn't feel like grabbing it. But they have a big, huge one of this. It's lasted me like 5 or 6 months and it's not even half empty. This is a smaller size, but this is a mask that you do afterwards, and you can leave it in 3 to 5 minutes, or you can do it underneath heat for a half an hour. This is their conditioner and shampoo. They have smaller sizes like this, but they have something for everybody's budget. This is my ultimate favorite shampoo and conditioner, and it smells like butterscotch. Some of my clients say it smells like cookies, different things. Vanilla, it's butterscotch to me. So we'll start with these. I'm obsessed. My hair's not even done, but just the feeling of it. These are amazing. They have so many different colors. Then for the restructuring line that I love the most is the oil. This is our serum. OMG, it smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers, like a whole bunch of Jolly Ranchers. I go through this like left and right, but this bottle itself has lasted me probably about 3 months, and I still have some left, and I use a little on everybody. Then they have this, which is like a split end mender, a restructuring cream for split ends. I'm out of that almost. This is the 10 benefit spray. This is good for anybody. It's a heat protectant, all that in one. And then this is their leave-in. This is fairly new that I've been using this, and I use it on everybody, whether their hair is very thin and fine and brittle, or if they have thick hair that takes 5 hours to foil. This is the ultimate best thing. If I had to pick just one, I couldn't, but if I had to, it would be this, because it doesn't weigh the hair down, but it still gives the hair nutrients and it makes it feel like so smooth and silky, even if it's really damaged. And especially in the winter here in New York, it's been pretty mild, but usually it really affects our hair up here in the north of the United States. I also love the Fiber Fix, which I just started using their actual professional one in my lightener. Just like Olaplex, they have their part 1 that's liquid that goes into the lightener. They have their shampoo and they have their part 2 connector. They have bigger ones, but if you're not licensed, the thing that's cool is you can still get the shampoo in the part 2 treatment. A lot of my clients use it, they use it all the time. I've really been diving in with an open mind and I'm totally obsessed with it. I used it again today, but these are the best. Purple shampoo, I like the blue shampoo. I just ran out and we just released the vegan no orange shampoo and mask, so you guys gotta check that out. It's the same as this, but it's for orange hair, and you can also use it for white blonde hair. I find that when I use the no yellow, which is violet to cancel out yellow tones, I find that when I use this on blondes, it's cool if I put it on and put it right off because it's so pigmented, but if I let it sit for a few minutes, it will turn it like a more ashier, deeper gray and look dingy. Where when I have white blondes, if I use the blue, even though it's supposed to be for orange hair, it definitely keeps it toned down and it keeps it bright. That's also why the mask for no yellow has a blue base. They also have that size. The vegan is a little bit more expensive, but it's so worth it. Sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. The smell is great, Jolly Ranchers. Oh my God, you guys, it's amazing. So what else do I need to go through? Oh, okay. Now I'm dabbling into their lighteners. They have a no yellowing lightening cream. I've tried it a couple times in the past, but now I can't wait to like dive into it. When you mix this with the developer, it smells like Bazooka bubble gum from back when we were kids. That's the cream lightener. This is the powdered 9 levels of lift strong and gentle powder lightener. Use the same developer for both of these if you're a licensed stylist. And this, I think I used once and I can't wait to dive right back into this. I'm gonna be using all these in the next couple of weeks as you watch my videos. But this is a keratin 24K lightening powder and it has so many things in it, it's like amazing. And I have the developers for those. I'll tell you what, my hair feels really good just combing it through. And by the way, if you have never tried Fanola, I am a Fanola insider. I'm kind of sitting here contemplating if maybe I should add a little bit of the violet to maybe counteract it being so bright. Or screw it, let's see what it looks like with bright hair. I was also just thinking, I'm kind of like vlogging in a way. How many of you guys would be interested? Let me know down in the comments below to see more behind the scenes vlogging and stuff. I haven't put anything in my hair. Look how vibrant after 7-8 minutes, as long as I talk to you guys, that it sat on my hair. Alright guys, I lost more than half the footage I recorded for this, so let me know down below if you like videos like this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, so long for now.